senior BJP leader and Union Education Minister Ravindra Pradhan has said the party has a 1500 days action plan to make the party the number one in Telangana. The union government has sanctioned several road projects for Tripura and Assam to strengthen rural connectivity and accelerate economic growth in the northeastern region. Health Minister J.P. Nanda on Friday reviewed the Ayushman Bharat PMJAY and Ayushman Bharat Digital Mission with senior officials of the National Health Authority in New Delhi. India Meteorological Department has forecast heavy rainfall over Konkan, Goa, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat and Telangana during the next 3 days. In shooting, India's Sabira Harris has bagged the bronze medal in women's trap event at the International Shooting Sport Federation Junior World Cup in Italy.